Okay, so you've just got yourself an iPhone 12 or plan to buy one soon. By now, you know that you aren't getting a new power brick in the box as per your contribution to the environment. Now, there's definitely the option of buying a 20-watt charger which would cost you about 2,000 bucks. But if you haven't bought one already and you are looking for potential options, let me just tell you there's plenty to consider. Hey guys, just before we dive in, do me a favor and hit the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon. Since the iPhone 5, Apple has shipped its iPhones with a 5-watt USB power adapter in the box, with the exception of the iPhone 11 Pro and the Pro Max, which ship with an 18-watt USB-C power adapter. So unless the iPhone 12 is your first iPhone in recent years, you probably have one of them lying around. But none of them will charge your shiny new iPhone just fast enough. In fact, the box standard 5-watt USB power adapter that Apple used to ship with its iPhones earlier will take you more than 3 hours to charge the iPhone 12. So sooner or later, you would want to pick up a new fast charging adapter for your phone. But things aren't as straightforward as they seem. So the cable that ships with the iPhone 12 is a USB to Lightning cable. So you'd want to invest in a USB-C adapter to go with it. Naturally, Apple wants you to splurge a good $2,000 and get a first-party 20-watt charger. But if you're unwilling to part with another $2,000 or just looking for a better third-party alternative, there are plenty of choices here too. Some of the more affordable ones that we've tried and tested are from brands like AMX and StuffCool. If you want a portable option which charges your iPhone and your MacBook for the same amount of money, you can pick up a third-party option like this. Samsung sells an affordable USB-C adapter too for its high-end Android phones, which will work just fine if you're looking for an even more affordable option. There's another fast-charging jugaad here. You can go ahead and pick up the Mi Pocket Power Bank Pro. What's unique about this power bank is that you can charge the power bank and your phone at the same time. Additionally, the iPhone 12 is compatible with current Qi wireless charging pads. However, Apple's main focus for charging the iPhone 12 and likely future phones too is the new built-in fast-charging MagSafe magnetic power connector, which will just snap onto the back of your iPhone. This cable will set you back by another 4,500 bucks. But if you're someone who admires the added convenience of wireless charging, this is the way to go. There are caveats here too. Apple's MagSafe charger for the iPhone 12 series seems to restrict 15-watt fast charging specifically to the company's 20-watt USB-C adapter. This means that you aren't likely to get the same fast charging experience when using a third-party adapter like the one I have with me over here from AMX. Now let's say you've bought yourself a MagSafe charger, but you have a simple 5-watt charger from Apple. It simply won't work because this needs USB-C. Apple's support page also highlights that MagSafe charger requires at least 12-watt power adapter. All said and done, you will have to spend more despite having sold an arm and a leg for your new iPhone 12. And for the best possible experience, you will have to buy yourself a 20-watt first-party adapter from Apple. But if you're willing to compromise in convenience, there could be a better solution that could pay heed in the long run. So that's all from us today. Let us know if you come up with any jugaads to fast charge your iPhone 12. This is Shomik signing off for Mashable India.